So? How's school?
It's good. Actually, I just got a...
Hey, has your mother ever asked about me? I mean, has she ever, wonder how I'm doing?
I think you should probably just leave her alone, Dad.
What? Did your mother tell you to say that to me?
Do you think it's a coincidence that she's halfway out the door every time you call? I'm not trying to be a bitch.
Well, you kinda are. Look, this is perfectly natural, okay? Two grown-ups, they need separation sometimes. Gather their thoughts and regroup. It'll pass.
You've been separated for 3 years.
It hasn't been 3 years. Look, it's just perfectly normal. Things should be back on track. You watch. Have a shot, please. Oh, don't say any of this to your mother. We didn't have this conversation. Oh, Tim asked? Tell him I asked about it.
I don't think I will.
Why not? He's a big guy. Bigger than me.
Who are you?
There you go, sir. Thank you. Oh, here's the $8.